Vitalik Buterin is the brilliant mind behind Ethereum, the world's leading programmable blockchain platform. Often called the world computer, Ethereum revolutionized how we think about decentralized technology. Let's explore the life and vision of this remarkable innovator who changed the blockchain landscape forever. Vitalik Buterin was born on January 31, 1994, in Kolomna, Russia. His father, Dmitry Buterin, was a computer scientist, which likely influenced Vitalik's early interest in technology. When Vitalik was just 6 years old, his family immigrated to Canada, where he would spend his formative years and eventually create one of the most important blockchain platforms in history. From an early age, Vitalik displayed exceptional intellectual abilities. He was placed in a gifted program during elementary school, where his talents truly shone. He had an extraordinary aptitude for mathematics and programming and could add 3-digit numbers in his head twice as fast as his classmates. Beyond mathematics, young Vitalik also developed a fascination with economics and game theory, subjects that would later prove crucial in designing Ethereum's economic model. In 2011, at just 17 years old, Vitalik was introduced to Bitcoin by his father. Initially, he dismissed the idea, questioning how something without intrinsic value could be worth anything. However, after deeper investigation, he had a profound realization. He understood that blockchain technology had the potential to revolutionize how we establish trust and create decentralized systems without relying on central authorities. This revelation set him on the path to creating Ethereum. After discovering Bitcoin, Vitalik immersed himself in the cryptocurrency world. He began writing articles for Bitcoin magazine in 2011, earning 5 Bitcoin per article as payment. He eventually became a co-founder and the lead writer of the publication. This experience allowed him to deeply understand blockchain technology and connect with the growing crypto community, setting the foundation for his future innovation. In 2013, at the remarkable age of 19, Vitalik published the Ethereum whitepaper, proposing a blockchain platform that could do much more than just transfer currency. The following year, he dropped out of the University of Waterloo after winning the prestigious Thiel Fellowship, which provided funding for young innovators to pursue their ideas. Finally, in 2015, the Ethereum network officially launched, marking a new era in blockchain technology. Vitalik's vision for Ethereum extended far beyond cryptocurrency. He imagined a programmable blockchain that could host decentralized applications, smart contracts, and autonomous organizations. Ethereum was designed to be a world computer accessible to everyone, enabling developers worldwide to build applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. This revolutionary concept transformed blockchain from a simple ledger into a platform for endless possibilities. Vitalik built Ethereum on 4 fundamental principles. First, decentralization, ensuring no single entity has control or can become a point of failure. Second, smart contracts, which are self-executing pieces of code that automatically enforce agreements on the blockchain. Third, transparency, making everything open source and verifiable by anyone in the world. And fourth, pluralism, the belief that multiple different solutions and approaches can coexist harmoniously within the ecosystem. These principles continue to guide Ethereum's development and the broader blockchain community today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.